family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple DIY ingredients that you can use on your hair for shine, moisture, and also extreme growth. If you love to see how I will be making this powerful ingredient, then please keep on watching. Our first ingredient, which is banana. Banana improves manageability and shine. It prevents and controls dandruff and moisturizes your scalp. It is rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect your hair natural elasticity. It also prevents split ends and breakage. Our third ingredient, which is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Coconut milk contains all the essential nutrients required for healthy hair. It boosts the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. The vitamins and essential fatty acids found in coconut milk can nourish the scalp and help in removing excess sebum. It also removes buildups from your hair follicles. I just love to mix my coconut milk up after I open it. And then I'm going to be pouring in about half can of the coconut milk into my blender. And after, I will just blend all my ingredients together. I love to blend my ingredients about 2 or 3 times just to make sure I don't have particles left on my hair. Some of you guys mentioned that you try my DIY and it's amazing, but you have some particles left on your hair. That will be because of the power of your blender, or you are not blending it properly. So please make sure that you blend it well. And then you can also use a sifter or screener just to screen it and make sure that you get any other excess particles from on it before it gets stuck into your hair. Now that we have our amazing creamy solution, I'm just going to transfer it into this butter for easy application. I'm now adding in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going in with few drops of rosemary oil. Rosemary oil helps with thickness and hair growth. It is also a great choice thanks to its ability to improve cellular generation, according to one study. Rosemary oil also performs well as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment but with less scalp itching as a side effect. And the last ingredient we will be adding in today is my Secret Growth Oil. This oil is my own creation. It has 21 natural ingredients, natural herbs, natural moisturizing and essential oils. All of those ingredients are proven to increase your hair growth rate and keep your hair healthy. This is the only oil that I use on my daughter's hair, and I also use it on my hair. It can be used on both kids and adults' hair. So after we mix all our ingredients together, this is how her hair is looking. I'm now going to pre-poo it and then start to apply the treatment to it. After pre-pooing her hair, I'm going in with the treatment. To pre-poo her hair, I just use a little bit of aloe vera juice to spray on her hair because her hair felt very dry. Just for me to moisturize it a little bit. And then I'm now going to apply the treatment to her entire hair and her scalp. So I will just allow you guys to watch the video and enjoy it. I decided to leave the application process on live mode because when I put it on fast forward, most of you guys left some messages down that I'm very rough on my daughter here. I appreciate your concern, but I am not rough on her here. It's just that when you put the videos in fast forward mode, it looks as if to say you are very rough. So this is how I handle my daughter hair in live mode, and this is how I always handle her hair. If I am rough on her hair, we will have a lot of breakage and a lot of split ends. So I'm leaving this video in live mode just for you guys to see how I take my time and care for her hair. After applying the treatment to her hair, I am going to allow her to sit under the steamer for 20 minutes. And then I'll also leave the treatment on for an hour. And then I will rinse it out. Now, if you are someone who wear your hair out, after you rinse the treatment out, you can always go in with a conditioner for you to co-wash your hair. And then you can style your hair as usual. Being that I always keep our hair in braids, so I don't mind having just a little bit of particles on it. But once I blend my ingredients properly, I don't have that problem. After that, I'm just going to moisturize her hair. I'm using my S Secrets Growth Oil and then my shea butter milk and my grease to moisturize her hair. After applying those three products to her hair, this is how her hair is looking. Very well moisturized, look very healthy. And I always keep her hair in braids, so I just put her hair in 3 braids. If you love this video, do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.